Best geology schools. Geology is a fascinating field of study that involves the study of the Earth's physical and biological history, as well as the processes that shape the planet and its natural resources. Many universities around the world offer high-quality geology programs, but some are particularly well known for their excellence in this field. Here are some of the best geology schools around the world. Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT. MIT is known for its rigorous and comprehensive geology program, which focuses on the scientific study of the Earth, its structure, and its evolution. The program combines classroom instruction with fieldwork and research opportunities, and graduates are well prepared for careers in academia, industry, or government. University of California, Berkeley. The geology program at UC Berkeley is consistently ranked among the top programs in the country, and is known for its strong emphasis on fieldwork and research. The program covers a wide range of topics, from paleontology and mineralogy to geophysics and structural geology. University of Oxford. The geology program at Oxford is renowned for its excellence in research, particularly in the fields of geochemistry, mineralogy, and tectonics. The program is highly interdisciplinary, and students have the opportunity to work with leading researchers in a variety of fields. ETH Zurich. ETH Zurich is a world-class research university that is particularly well known for its geology and earth sciences programs. The university's geology program focuses on the study of the Earth's interior, its surface processes, and the interaction between the Earth and its environment. Imperial College London. Imperial College London is a top-ranked university that offers a wide range of geology and earth sciences programs, including a highly regarded program in petroleum geoscience. The university's geology programs emphasize practical training and research, and graduates are well prepared for careers in industry or academia. University of Tokyo. The geology program at the University of Tokyo is known for its strong emphasis on research, particularly in the fields of seismology and volcanology. The program offers a wide range of courses in geology and earth sciences, and students have the opportunity to work with leading researchers in the field. University of Western Australia. The geology program at the University of Western Australia is highly regarded for its focus on fieldwork and research, particularly in the areas of mineral exploration and petroleum geology. The program offers a wide range of courses in geology and earth sciences, and students have the opportunity to work with leading researchers in the field. These are just a few of the many excellent geology schools around the world. When choosing a geology program, it is important to consider factors such as faculty expertise, research opportunities, and career prospects. Ultimately, the best geology school for you will depend on your individual interests, goals, and preferences. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications.